Hello, welcome to Askademic, beginner level English course. Introduction. My name is Thomas. I am excited to help you learn English. I have taught all ages many different subjects and in a variety of settings. It is my goal to make learning engaging, comfortably challenging, and even enjoyable. Let's practice an introduction. Hello, how are you? I'm very well, thank you. My name is Thomas. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How's the weather? It is sunny today. What did you do today? I went to work today. How did you get to work? I drove to work in my car. How long did it take to get there? It took 10 minutes. The traffic wasn't too bad. What did you eat for lunch? I ate fish and a strawberry salad. It was delicious. What is in an introduction? How are you? Name, work, and where are you from? How many ways can you say hello? 1. I have a friend in Turkey, merhaba. That's 2. Ni hao? 3. Do you have a friend in France? Bonjour. 4. Привет. 5. Guten Tag. 6. Hola. 7. Ciao. 8. Where are you from? Where do you think she is from? What is it? It is the U.S. flag. What is it? It is the UK flag. Do you think she wants to go to these countries? Do you want to go to these countries? What can you see? I see a notebook. I see a pen. I see a mouse. That mouse is white. This mouse is black. Very good. Are you ready? Let's learn English. What do you need? Tech. A computer or another device, of course, or you wouldn't be here. Notebook. Paper, electronic, or both. Motivation. You need to want to learn English. Course goals. To learn English. Goal. Learn English. Baby steps. Make it easy. Small steps. Practice every day. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Plan. Use English. In real life, talk with friends. What do you often do? I often play basketball. Learn the words connected to what you often do. Write them in your notebook. I often lift weights in the gym. This is a weight or dumbbell. It is 20 pounds, almost 10 kilograms. Belief. Be creative. Have fun. Just try. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Weekly planner. Monday. Discover a new word. Tuesday. Make sentences. Wednesday. Talk with friends. Thursday. Try cooking. Learn the words for the foods you cook with. Write them in your notebook. Friday. Read a book. Saturday. Play a game. Games are great for remembering. Sunday. Talk with friends. My 7 goals for this week. Reach for the stars. In this course, we will learn demonstratives, asking and answering questions, nouns and adjectives, reading and speaking. What can you see? I see a dog. Do you like dogs? Big dogs or small dogs? I can see someone reading a book. Do you think she is reading to the dog? Content. Section 1. The banana is yellow. Section 2. Are you curious? Section 3. The inquisitive guest. Section 4. This ship is huge. A ship is a boat, a very big boat. Section 5. Today I'm happy. Section 6. Message in a bottle. Section 7. And this is my family. Notebook. Remember to write down new words in your notebook. What did you learn today? When we come back, Section 1. See you soon.